Hey guys, so today we're going to do exactly what it says at the top here. We're going to find the equation of parabola given its graph. So we've got a graph right here and we need to extrapolate the equation. So first thing I would do is I would write down the basic form of a parabola and see what we need to find. So we've got y equals, well, in this case, is this going to be y equals x squared or x equals y squared? Those are the two different types of parabolas we can have. Y equals x squared either opens up or down, and then x equals y squared is the opposite of that, so it opens right or left. And in this case, as we can see, we've got a parabola opening to the left, so we know it's going to be x equals y squared, but then if it's positive, it's going to open to the right, and this one's opening to the left, so our basic form is x equals negative y squared. So now we can start with that, and now we can go to our other information. We can say, well, the drawn out form that we're going to have to do here is x equals, well, we're going to have negative a because that's a negative in front of the y. Then we're going to have y minus k squared plus h. And as you know, our vertex is at hk. Okay, so now we can just start to plug in things that we know. Well, as I can see here, the center is at negative 2, negative 2, 0. So hk is negative 2, 0. So I can fill that in. We'll get x equals negative a y minus k, which is 0. So just y squared plus h, which is negative 2. So that could just be minus 2. Okay, well now what we need is this a. Well, we know a equals 1 over 4p. And p is the distance from the center to a focus and directrix. So that's p and that's p. And while the directrix is a line at x equals negative 1, and then our focus is a point at, the focus is negative 3, 0. Well, that tells me that the distance between the focus and the center and the directrix in the center is just 1. So a is going to equal 1. So, well, p is going to equal 1. So it'll be 1, so a equals 1 over 4 times the p-value of 1, so a equals just 1/4. Well, we can plug that in. Then we have x equals negative 1/4 y squared minus 2. And that's our final answer. An example like this where it's opening to the left is about as tough as it's going to get for something like this. So if you're able to do this, you should be fine on any questions your teacher might ask. I hope this was able to help you. Let me know if you have any questions.